Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to share how to connect your Ton wallet with the WCoin tap to earn mini app. Alright, so if you're new here, do us a favor, hit that like button and share this video with your friends who are also mining WCoin. Okay, so if you're popular with Telegram airdrops, you will know that once they've added the blockchain mechanism, they are drawing closer to the airdrop launch. So it essentially means we are drawing close to the airdrop listing, so it's the best time to get started is now. If you've not started with WCoin, I'll put a link to join in the description section. I'll also put a link to join my Telegram if you want to stay updated on airdrops and tips on how to make money online. Alright, so without wasting much time, let's jump right in. So to connect your wallet, simply click on this wallet icon right here. Okay, so once you click on it, you also see their roadmap printed on it. So from here, they are currently on this blockchain selection stage, which is the ability to connect your Ton wallet. The game has been launched, the community is growing. So after blockchain selection, the next step similar to how Notcoin distributed their airdrop, is going to be WCoin airdrop. So we are going to receive the airdrop shares before the token is launched, which is actually good news because we would have enough time to prepare and transfer out our earnings to the Ton wallet so that we can easily trade it once it's launched. Okay, so to connect your wallet, simply click on this connect wallet button. Then you can select from any Ton wallet, your preferred Ton wallets. For me, I generally use Tonkeeper because it's easier for me and that's where I have some Ton coin. So next up, click on this yes connect button. Alright, so you'll be asked to connect your wallet and accept notification. For that, just click on this giant connect wallet button. Okay, so as you can see, my wallet has been connected and 100,000 WCoin has been added to my balance. So you can see your wallet is connected by clicking on this. You see the connected address, and when you go back to your Tonkeeper app, you can see that from the connected app. So as you can see, WCoin is added to my connected wallets. Alright, so I hope you found this video useful. Do well to subscribe if you've not subscribed and join our Telegram channel. The link will be in the description section of this particular video. I would share more updates as we find them regarding this tap to earn WCoin airdrop, so be sure to stay updated.